Have you reached a point where standing, walking, or even getting out of bed feels like a struggle? Do your legs feel weak, stiff, or painful, especially in the morning or after sitting for too long? If your legs are giving up on you, it might not just be aging. It could be a deficiency in a few essential nutrients your body desperately needs. In this video, we're going to talk about 3 powerful vitamins that can stop leg pain, reverse muscle cramps, and even help you walk confidently again. If you're tired of limping, struggling with balance, or relying on support to move around, keep watching. This could be the turning point you've been hoping for. Many people think weak legs and constant cramps are just part of getting older. But what if the real reason behind your pain is something you can fix? One small change might make the difference between needing support to walk and standing tall on your own again. Let me ask, have you ever suddenly felt a sharp cramp in your leg, maybe while you're sleeping or sitting? Does your leg feel heavy when you get up, like you've lost strength without warning? These aren't just signs of aging, they're warning signs your body is missing something essential. The first vitamin you need to know about is magnesium. It's a mineral your muscles and nerves absolutely depend on. Magnesium helps your muscles relax and contract the way they should. Without enough of it, your muscles tighten up, leading to cramps, spasms, and pain. And it's not just about pain. When your muscles don't get enough magnesium, they don't recover well either. That means you feel tired even when you haven't done much, and simple tasks like standing or walking feel exhausting. Many people are low in magnesium and don't even realize it because the signs can be subtle at first. But those annoying leg cramps that hit at night, or the feeling of weakness in your thighs could be pointing directly to a deficiency. Magnesium also improves circulation. That means better blood flow to your legs, more oxygen delivery, and less muscle fatigue. Foods rich in magnesium include spinach, pumpkin seeds, almonds, black beans, avocados, and even dark chocolate. But as we get older, our bodies absorb less magnesium from food. So even if you're eating well, your muscles might still not be getting what they need. That's when a supplement can make a big difference. Look for magnesium glycinate or citrate, which are easier to absorb and gentler on the stomach. Next is vitamin D, a nutrient most people associate with strong bones, but it's just as important for your muscles. Without enough vitamin D, your muscles become weak and uncoordinated. You might feel unsteady or shaky when you walk, or your legs may feel like they don't support your body anymore. Vitamin D plays a key role in muscle contractions and nerve signaling. It also helps your body absorb calcium, which supports both bone and muscle function. Unfortunately, vitamin D deficiency is extremely common in older adults, especially those who don't get much sunlight or spend most of their time indoors. Without enough vitamin D, your risk of falling increases significantly. It's one of the hidden reasons seniors lose mobility and confidence. Foods like salmon, mackerel, egg yolks, and fortified dairy can help, but again, absorption matters. Vitamin D3 is the preferred form in supplements because it mimics the kind your body makes from sunlight. Even just 15 to 20 minutes of sun exposure daily can give your body a helpful boost. But if your vitamin D levels are already low, supplements may be necessary to get you back on track. It's a simple fix that can completely change how your legs feel and function. The third vitamin you absolutely can't ignore is vitamin B12. If your legs feel numb, tingly, or like they're falling asleep often, B12 also helps your body produce red blood cells, which carry oxygen to your muscles. So when you're low on B12, your legs can feel both weak and tired at the same time. Unfortunately, as we age, our bodies become less efficient at absorbing B12 from food especially. If you take acid reducers or have digestive issues, that's why many older adults don't even know they're low until they start experiencing serious symptoms. Good food sources of B12 include beef liver, eggs, dairy, tuna, and fortified breakfast cereals. But if your levels are already low, a supplement or even an injection may be necessary to restore balance and strength. Methylcobalamin is a highly absorbable form of B12 to look for if you go the supplement route. Now that we've covered these 3 vitamins, magnesium, D, and B12, what's the best way to start seeing real results? First, get your blood levels tested. That way, you'll know exactly what you're missing. Then begin adding more nutrient-rich foods into your daily meals. Even small changes can have a big impact over time. If you and your doctor decide to start supplements, stick to consistent doses and monitor your energy, mobility, and leg strength week by week. You don't have to take them forever, but sometimes even a few months of support is enough to help your body bounce back. Many people start feeling a difference in their legs within 2 to 4 weeks of starting these vitamins. Cramps ease up, walking becomes smoother, standing doesn't feel like such a chore, and best of all, confidence returns. Remember, your muscles and nerves are always trying to heal and adapt. You just need to give them the right tools. These 3 vitamins aren't miracle pills, but they are essential pieces of the puzzle. Without them, your body can't perform at its best. But with them, you give your body what it needs to repair, strengthen, and move again. Take Linda, for example. She's 73 and had been dealing with chronic leg pain for 2 years. Just getting up from a chair made her wince. After getting her blood tested, she found out her magnesium and B12 were way below normal. She began taking a daily supplement, added spinach, eggs, and pumpkin seeds to her meals, and within a month her leg cramps were gone. She now walks every morning without fear of falling. Then there's George, 68. He couldn't walk to the kitchen without feeling exhausted. He tested low in vitamin D with a simple D3 supplement and 15 minutes of morning sunlight each day. His strength and balance improved in just 3 weeks. These stories aren't rare, they recommon when the body finally gets what it has been lacking. If you're serious about improving your leg strength and stopping the pain, now's the time to act. Don't wait until the problem gets worse. Don't accept weakness and discomfort as part of growing older. The truth is, your body wants to move, it wants to be strong, and it wants to heal. Give it the chance by feeding it what it needs: magnesium, vitamin D, and B12. With the right approach, you can walk again with confidence. You can stand without pain. You can enjoy your daily activities without fear of cramping or falling. It's all possible, and it starts with these 3 simple nutrients. If you've been feeling hopeless or frustrated, don't give up. Start small, stay consistent, and keep going. The changes you'll feel may surprise you. You're not broken, you're just missing a few key ingredients. Give your legs the support they deserve, and they'll carry you forward with strength and stability. You deserve to move freely, live independently, and enjoy life without the constant worry of leg pain. These vitamins are a safe, natural, and affordable first step to help you reclaim that freedom. If this video helped you, please consider liking it, sharing it with someone you care about, and subscribing to our channel. We post videos to help you stay strong, healthy, and independent at any age. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.